In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide fields based on answer in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your form respond to what people select, so they only see the questions that matter to them. First, open your form, log into your Jotform account, head to My Forms, and click Edit on the form you want to work with. Before moving on, glance through your form and make sure the fields you plan to show or hide have clear labels, so they're easy to identify when you set up the rules. If you intend to reveal a field only under certain conditions, avoid making it required unless you're sure the rule will display it when needed. Next, go to Conditional Logic. At the top of the builder, click Settings. On the left, choose Conditions, then click Add a new condition. This is where you'll tell the form what to do when a user gives a certain answer. Choose the Show/Hide field option. This condition lets you reveal a field only when a specific response is given, or keep it out of sight when it's not relevant. It's perfect for creating shorter, smarter forms that adapt in real time. Now set the rule. Start by choosing the field you want to monitor, like a drop-down or a yes-no question. Pick the operator, such as equals or contains, and enter the value that should trigger the action. Then decide what happens. Show a particular field or hide it. You can add multiple actions here if you want several fields to appear at once. If your logic needs to be more specific, combine conditions using multiple rules and decide whether all conditions must be met or just one. Keep your wording and values consistent with your form options to avoid mismatches. If your conditions overlap, review them so one rule doesn't cancel another. Finally, save and test. Click Save to lock in your condition. Use the preview or fill out the live form to try different answers and confirm the right fields appear or disappear. Test the common paths your users will take and also try edge cases to ensure nothing unexpected shows up. If something isn't working, return to conditions, check the field names, operators, and values, and adjust. A clear naming strategy for your fields and conditions will make troubleshooting much easier. That's it. With these steps, your Jotform will feel dynamic, cleaner, and more user-friendly, guiding people only through what they need to complete.